leaked audio from 80 internal TikTok meetings showing that TikTok employees based in China have, quote, repeatedly accessed U.S. users' data for the last several months. Jennifer Schomburger is tracking this story for us. And Jennifer, we know that this has been in question and something that the U.S. government has talked about numerous times in the past. But what can you tell us about this new report?
Good afternoon, Shauna. That's right. A new report out showing that Chinese employees of popular app TikTok have gained access to U.S. user data, potentially exposing Americans' personal information to China's government. All of this raising questions about whether the company misled U.S. lawmakers about employees' access to U.S. data. BuzzFeed reports that leaked audio from more than 80 internal TikTok meetings reveals that China-based employees of TikTok parent company ByteDance have repeatedly accessed non-public data about U.S. TikTok users, though unclear whether the Chinese government has used this data for spying. Lawmakers and U.S. intelligence are concerned TikTok's data collection, including audio and users' location, offers the potential for the Chinese government to gain access to information. Now, a TikTok executive told lawmakers last October in testimony that TikTok's user data is stored in the U.S. and does not share information with the Chinese government. TikTok has announced that it would move all data from its American users through servers controlled by Oracle in Texas, but it also reportedly said it would still store its own backups of that information. Now, Senator Marsha Blackburn's office telling me in a statement today, quote, TikTok has been stealing Americans' data. Big tech and communist China must be stopped. U.S. officials have repeatedly voiced concern over this app. Back in 2019, the Pentagon advised members of the military to exercise caution in using this app and in certain instances banned it. Now, former President Trump back in 2020 also sought to ban the app or at least get the U.S. operations sold to a U.S.-based company, though President Biden signed an executive order overturning the Trump-era actions. All of this coming just as the Biden administration examining whether they should roll back Trump-era tariffs that are contributing to higher inflation, just as many are criticizing the administration for being soft on China. Guys, no word yet on whether lawmakers are going to take renewed action based on this report.